School days in the UK. Michael lives in London, the UK's capital city. This is his school day. He gets up at 7:30 a.m. and has breakfast. His best friend Ben lives next door, so they walk to school together. They're in the same class at Greenwood School. There are 30 students in Ben's class. They all wear a school uniform and carry their books in a backpack. The students have registration at 8:45 a.m. and lessons start at 9 a.m. There is a short break at 10:30 a.m. and a lunch break at 12:30 p.m. Michael brings a packed lunch from home. Ben buys a hot school dinner from the canteen. In the afternoon, there are lessons again from 1:15 p.m. until 3:40 p.m. When school finishes, Michael and Ben have football practice. At 4:30 p.m., Michael and Ben walk home. Michael takes a shower and does his homework. He has dinner at 7 p.m. with his family. Then he goes online. Finally, at 9:30 p.m., he goes to bed. What about you? What's your school day like?